What is up, you guys? It is Janita here, aka Jay. How is it going? Welcome back to another video. So this video is about skincare routine and what I normally do to end my night. Another thing I had to tell you guys was that it is my 2-year YouTube birthday. For my birthday gift, it would be great if you can subscribe. Seriously, it'll be amazing if I can get these subscriptions to 200. That'll be a real good goal for me to do. It's a small goal, but I'm sure we can all do it. So please subscribe below, hit that like button, and let's get straight into it. So I did want to mention that my skin's obviously not perfect. I just want to show you a real close-up of what my skin looks like. I will probably put a picture somewhere here with what I used to look like. So my acne used to be so bad that nothing used to really work. Up until 21, 22 is when my acne started to kind of disappear. Yeah, 21, 22. And now it's a whole lot better. My skin was a real issue where a lot of, you know, those Indian aunties where they'll be like, "Beta, thora haldi use kar lo," and then you're just like, bro, I've tried everything, man. Like, this haldi thing doesn't work. Like, seriously, people don't realize that when you talk about other people's acne in front of them, it does hurt their feelings. A certain way that you want to say, hey, do you want to try this or do this? It worked for me. Maybe you should try it. Say it like that, but you can't just say, what's wrong with your face? You have so many pimples. Kuch karo. Like, seriously? Like, I'm trying to do a lot of things. I'm already trying to improve my skin as it is. I just want to talk about my past and how it used to be for me. I remember that, you know, the photo that I just put up. I'll show you again. This photo actually was put up by a makeup artist. So she put the before and after photo of how it looked like after the makeup on her Facebook page. And someone actually commented. Can't remember exactly what it was, but it was along the lines of, you can't trust girls because sometimes they just layer their face up with lots of makeup and they actually end up looking ugly. So that's basically what that person meant, and I was offended. Really, I was sad. I was really sad for a week, more than a week. I was actually quite sad. I actually told that lady to take the photo down because I did not want these negative comments on Facebook. So she took it down, but I didn't realize she put it up, and I'm glad that she did put it back up, because seriously, these negative comments does not affect me, and it should not affect me. It did back then, but I'm a different person now, and I'm glad that she put that photo back up, because it should not be a thing that affects me. It's someone else's negativity that is being spread, and it shouldn't be my problem, you know? It's his negativity. He can have that negativity. I'm going to keep up with my positivity, and that's my point of view. I was down for a long time about it, and it's not like I didn't do anything about my skin. I've tried. So I tried a lot of things. I tried haldi, you know, auntie. I tried the haldi. And by the way, haldi is turmeric. I tried what was really good that back in the day was Proactive. I've tried that, and it just made my skin real worse. I tried that clean and clear stuff, and like I tried the toner, the moisturizer. I did the whole 3-step thing, and it still just broke out. Eventually I ended up on oral antibiotics, so doxycycline, and that seemed to help my acne a lot, but then of course I was left with the marks and stuff like that. Also ended up doing some laser treatment for your acne. So basically what the laser does is it lasers exactly on your oil glands. Basically lasers on your oil glands and destroys them, kind of kills them off, so that you're not producing too much oil, because one of the issues that I had was that my face was too oily and my acne would just keep coming, and it's kind of like a really good area for harvested bacteria and pimples to grow. Real tough acne journey where a lot of people would say, have you tried this, have you done this, you should do something about your acne. And seriously, like, I already knew I had an issue, but like, I've tried a lot of things. It's not just, it's easy to say just try this, it will work, because what works for you will not work for me, and vice versa. What works for me will not always work for you. So yeah, I think like in terms of me having real trouble with my acne, that was a huge challenge and part of my life, and I am happy with how my skin looks at the moment. I know it's not perfect, it's still got some dark spots, but at least I only have, like, you know, a handful of like a few pimples now, which I can really manage, whereas before it used to be all over, and Like seriously, just wearing no makeup out used to make me feel like I couldn't do that because everyone just stare at my face. But I want to tell you guys that next time you see someone with acne, and yeah, it's bad, but don't stare at it. Like seriously, just don't stare at it. Don't, like, if it's your friend, maybe tell them, hey, you should maybe try this, it worked for me. But don't go, hey, have you tried this, because it looks like you're not trying anything. A lot of people with acne clearly are trying stuff to remove it and not have it there, because I mean, who doesn't want perfect skin, right? It was a journey. That's what I'm trying to say, is that me and my acne was a journey, and I'm glad that journey's over. I'm nearly 25 years old, come on guys. I still get acne, but my acne was caused hormonally, so it's my hormones in my body that was actually causing my acne. And like, the antibiotics did help with the bacterial side of acne and helping it not spread, but then also there was that hormonal side of my acne which was playing up as well. So the hormones on your body actually produces a lot of acne and pimples. Eventually the laser thing worked, guys. I ended up spending almost $4,000 on this laser thing, so it's not cheap. Like I said, that's how bad I wanted to fix my acne issue. Yeah, I tried. That's what I'm trying to say, is that I tried and I finally got to this result here. But like, it's not like I wasn't trying back then either. So I just want to let you guys know, from a person who used to have lots of acne, that it's not like we just let it happen. We try our best to prevent it as well. Sorry about that rant. This rant is already 8 minutes. So let's put this band on and look like a professional. So the things that actually ended up working for me was that laser treatment, the doxycycline, the antibiotics, and this other little gel thing, which was a spot treatment, which was also prescribed to me, and it was called Different. Guys, also check out my Korean skincare routine. This is actually a sponge that I brought back from Japan. I actually stole it. No, I didn't. So in Japan, like, you get these really cool things at hotels where look at how dope that is. So this is a foam sponge that I'm going to use, because obviously I don't have a tap in my garage to wash my face with, so I'm just going to use this foam. And oh my god, look how thick this foam has become after soaking in water. So yeah, in Japan, like, when you stay in the hotels, they give you amazing things. So they give you like things to scrub your body with, gels, shampoos, facial toner, makeup remover, all these other like things that you don't normally get at a hotel. Like, it's just, you get your toothbrush, toothpaste, you know, slippers, all these things. It's crazy. Japan's dope. Alright, so the first thing I do obviously is take off all my makeup. So I usually use Garnier micellar water, and then I wash my face, or like kind of dampen it, just wet my pants. Normally I would be with the water doing this, okay? I'm gonna stop talking now and just show you what I do. so that's the end of my skincare routine. I hope you liked that video. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's keep it short, sweet and simple. Jay out. Please, people, be comfortable in your own skin. Doesn't matter what other people think. Be yourself.